So brave a lot marched down to the sandy shore. He heard a splash, then a mighty roar. A sea serpent rose with scales so bright, ready to battle with all its might. But as Sir Brave-a-Lot raised his sword in hand, the serpent dashed off away from the land. It tangled in trees, crying with fear, and from her eye fell a shimmering tear. Oh, the serpent cried, no more fight, her tears shining in the pale moonlight. Sir Brave-a-Lot knelt and asked her why. The serpent whispered, my egg's been taken near by the night. Put down his shiny blade and heard the story that the serpent made. Bandits came and stole her precious egg, leaving her heartbroken, leaving her to beg. He promised the serpent, I'll find what's lost, for honor and kindness, no matter the cost. With a heart so brave and eyes full of care, he vowed to help her, a hero so rare. Oh, the serpent cried, no more fight, with tears shining in the pale moonlight. So Brave-a-Lot knelt and asked her why. The serpent whispered, my egg's been taken nearby. So off he went, the tree so deep, to find the egg the serpent would keep. With courage and heart, he'd set things right, a night on a quest under stars so bright. Now Sir Brave-a-Lot, true and kind, will battle the bandits and the egg he'll find. The promise made under skies of blue, Sir Brave-a-Lot will see his mission through.